Welcome everyone to HueFin, where we trade different, and also we are your trusted source of news according to the price chart without giving you guys no confusion. We're going to give y'all an update on Litecoin paired against the dollar. Last time we did our video for Litecoin was on the 24th of November, so it's about time for an update. It's been a while. The market has played, and it's time to see how it has fared against our original forecast, and then we give you an updated price prediction in the market for Litecoin going forward. Okay, so if this is your first time, you guys appreciate the content. Before you go, hit that subscribe button, like and share the video, follow us on our Twitter page, Facebook page, and then as well on our website if you guys want to get more of our price forecasts in the cryptocurrency space. So all of those links will be in the description of this video if you're interested. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and get started as to what we're noticing into the market for Litecoin. Now let's see. We were anticipating the market in Litecoin back here on the 24th of November to continue to see lower prices in Litecoin. And the market in Litecoin, as you can tell from our price chart, has been moving lower. Ultimately, it came and hit our TP price right there around $44 the next following day. And then we saw a slight movement to the upside in price in Litecoin. And ever since then, we've just been consolidating. So even if you're in the trade today, you can be up about 2.25% right now in Litecoin. Following the day of when we did our video for Litecoin, you could be up about 6.5% at the very bottom of that daily price bar. So 2.25%, 6.5% each, both showing profitable forecasts in the market for Litecoin. So let's get rid of it and let's update you as to what we're seeing into the market in Litecoin. All right, and we'll start off with looking at Litecoin on the weekly price chart. And as you can tell, that the market in Litecoin is still giving us a lot of weakness. I'm not seeing any strength coming into the market in Litecoin, and the ultimate hurdle that will cause a change in tone in the market is right there around $49 or $50. That is the focal point that will allow the market participants to realize that Litecoin has reversed its course from moving lower to want to move higher. So until we see that play out in the long term, Litecoin is still anticipated to see those lower prices. And we have already came to some logical areas of support the last 2 weeks, including this current weekly price bar. Right here, the low from the 18th of February 2019, the low from the 25th of February 2019, and then the close from the 11th of February 2019 have all been indications to where the market in Litecoin has found the bottom prior to us seeing a massive run up to higher prices up there to around $140. So we are there now. And one thing that you can tell is that we're not getting that same type of volume in Litecoin as what we did around that month of February 2019. So what is going on? There simply is no participation going on in the market in Litecoin, which will continue to allow this particular cryptocurrency to see lower prices. We have to see some decent amount of volume in Litecoin in order to break above $50. Until that point, don't expect Litecoin to move higher. Okay. Now let's take a look at Litecoin on the monthly price chart. And again, weakness is definitely prevalent on the monthly time frame. So this is even more confirmation that this particular market in Litecoin is not poised to see any higher prices. But again, focus has to be around $40 for support. Only concern, here we are 2 weeks into the month of December, and we are still showing extremely light volume. That could either mean two things. The first thing is that we're not getting anybody participating in the trading in Litecoin. There's not that many sellers into the market to continue to push this price down lower, which is a positive thing, but it's a negative thing if nobody's interested in moving Litecoin higher. Concerning the last couple of months in Litecoin, we're vying for that continued weakness to continue in this market for the monthly time frame and longer. Back over to the daily time frame though, it's a different type of picture. We're seeing some slight consolidation of trading. Market is trying to hold $44 for support, but I'm not seeing a massive movement to the upside occurring in Litecoin just yet. Take a look at Litecoin on the 4-hour chart, and again, the weakness in this coin is still here. I'm just not feeling optimistic about this cryptocurrency right now. So what we're going to do, we are going to play the market in Litecoin to continue to placate and move to higher prices. I'm gonna tell you why. First reason, the market in Litecoin has held support at $44 once, twice, and then finally we broke above it right there on the 4-hour chart a third time. Okay, these couple of 4-hour bars right here around this $44 price level are all indications that the market is trying to pursue higher prices. Now, I'm not going to tell you that I'm looking for a moonshot higher, that I'm looking for a Lambo, that the market in Litecoin is going to make it to $1,000. No, we are realistic in our price movement forecast. Okay, so what we're going to do, we are going to switch it back over to a daily time frame and look for this market in Litecoin to move higher. So here we are. Let's bring this down a little bit lower. All right, so we'll TP the market though in Litecoin at $46, maybe a little bit lower, right around there, 45.75, which will be about 3%, 2.9% profit into the market. And that's only under the presumption that we see some weakness entering the market in Litecoin that tried to pursue this coin back down to lower prices prior to the movement lower, if you want to say. Okay, so that's why we'll TP the market right there around 45.75. But overall, I'm not really seeing a lot going on in this cryptocurrency. So long-term weakness is still prevalent from the weekly to the monthly time frame. I'm not seeing any indications on those multiple time frames of any strength coming through. So that's why we're displaying this one on the daily time frame of it moving higher, because there's definitely a lot more weight pushing this currency to lower prices the further out in time you look at the price chart. Okay, so again, just want to reiterate that we're just playing this on the daily time frame, meaning that you'll have to react not as soon but quicker than you would be if you were a long-term viewer of the price chart. So we definitely have to watch the market in Litecoin as we see this coin trade on a daily basis, just because of the fact that from the weekly to the monthly time frame, there's still weakness that this coin has to go through before we see any substantive change in this market direction of it moving to the downside. Okay, so I just want to tell you all about that as well as this coin continues to trade. But overall, we're going to play this market in Litecoin to move higher. It might move a lot higher by the time we come in and update you on what has occurred thus far. Okay, so let me just bring it up there. So this is it. Let us know your thoughts. Let us know by a comment in the comment section of this video about Litecoin and what do you expect it to do by the end of the year, and then what do you think 2020 is going to bring forth for this cryptocurrency protocol. Make sure you always maintain your profitability, and as always, I'll see you on the next one.